Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Tesla's been quietly rolling out its new Navigate on Autopilot feature for a couple of weeks now, and when we got the invite to come try it out in LA traffic, we couldn't say no. The system adds a layer of functionality to Autopilot with auto steer that allows the car to change lanes based on nav data, and it can even handle on-ramps and off-ramps, with driver confirmation of course. It's not self-driving, but it's pretty cool. We might be on the cusp of the LA Auto Show, but Genesis doesn't give a crap about that. It debuted its new flagship G90 sedan in Seoul, and let me tell you friends, it's a design statement. The big front grille is at once both Volvo and Mazda, but super classy, and the side profile and wheel design scream Toyota Century. Our staff is kind of split on the look, but hey, I'm narrating this video and I love it, so there. Audi has been hard at work coming up with electric cars to sell under its new e-tron badge. The next e-tron concept is here, and it's basically an A7, which we're not mad at. Audi is keeping mum about specs, but we bet it'll share the platform and some of the guts of the Porsche Taycan, maybe even its 800-volt charging system. We'll know more when the concept officially debuts in LA tomorrow, so stay tuned, true believers. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.